This squirrel's just gone in. Oh, here we go, he's doing it again. This bloody squirrel has learned how to get the nuts out of the bloody bird feeder. I have to find a way to hang it somewhere. Look at him, he's having a bloody feast there now. It's one happy squirrel, isn't it? I'll go put it back up and move it in a bit, but still happy to see the squirrel, but it's not what it's there for. Little bugger. Look at him. He's going nuts. He's nuts for the nuts. He's just gorging now, filling his cheeks up. He ain't eating that. Clever little squirrel. Look at him, he's worked out how to get in there, get the nuts out. I'll be knocking on my window asking for Stella Artois next. Here mate, can I have a pint of Stella? Go with nuts. What do you got? No, you still that. Oh, he's a cheeky bugger, isn't he? Is he going to go back and try and get even more? There he goes. You have to hand it to me. The crafty little bugger. He's hanging by his back legs to get into the bird feeder bit, so the canopy isn't doing its thing. But just still, it's nice to see some wildlife. I've set up another bird feeder here with a camera on it. But obviously the camera sensor picked up this squirrel instead. It'll be interesting just setting up in the process of setting up a Raspberry Pi as a streaming server, so I can broadcast a bird cam. At the moment I'm videoing this squirrel. You little rascal. I've just filled that feeder back up. I have to see, it's on a branch at the moment of one of the trees out there. I have to see if I can't find another way to hang it across somewhere, so only the birdies can get to it. Because I've been getting quite a few squirrels, sorry. Quite a few robins and other little birds come in there. It's been quite good so far. I just absolutely love seeing the little robins. They're such cute little birds. This is my first time to actually see a squirrel in there. Go on, robins, where are you? Get the little bugger out. He's just going to absolutely eat everything, isn't he? Wonder if they see me if I stand up. Probably. He's just gone back into the tree. He's big squirrel though, isn't he? It's bloody ginormous. Look at the size of that thing. He's gone into that tree. There we are. Bit of entertainment.